For the first part, in the diagram below, we know that MN, NP, and PM are midsegments. And so here it wants to know what is the segment parallel to each of these given segments. So the first one was given was MN. It is parallel to LK. Oh, sorry. MN and LK. Okay, then we have NP. Okay, and it is parallel to JL. So JL and NP are parallel. And then lastly, we have PM is parallel to JK. Number 2 says if MP is 17, so MP is 17, LK is 24, and PN is 13. Can you find the missing measures? So yes, absolutely. Okay, let's start with the 24. Half of 24 is 12. So both of these pieces right here are 12, and so is the midsegment. Okay, so that gives us MN is 12. Then if I move on to the MP, it's 17. We know that the two pieces here are both 17 each, making the entire length 34. So we need to find what? JK is 34. Then for JL, over here, we know that this piece right here is 13, so each one of these is also 13. Okay, and then if I add those together, we get 26. So then, for JL, we put 26. And then the perimeter of this triangle, which JKL, this is the big triangle, we would add up all of our sides. So 26 plus 24 plus 34. And this would give us 84. Okay. All right. Moving on to part 3. In this part, in the diagram below, QR, RS, and SQ are all midsegments. So we know we have, it looks like 30 for QR. That means that both of these are 30. Okay. We also know we have to find the value of X. So if I look at these two, we could double this one, SP or SR, X plus 7, and that would equal the parallel side, 4x minus 20. Alright, so if we multiply, and we subtract 2x, we would get 2x, add 20, we get 34, so x is 17 when we divide. Okay, then for y, we figured out that these parts were both 30, so we can say 2y equals 30, and that's 15. Okay. Then we have to go ahead and fill in all the parts that we know. So NR would be parallel to QS. This is 20. NP would be 40. MN, okay, well, if we plug in what, 17 for x, we can figure out MN. So 4 times 17 is 68, minus 20 is 48. SP is 30, and MP would be 30 plus 30, which is 60. It says find the perimeter of triangle RST. Well, I do not see a triangle RST. So, let's change that to triangle MNP. So this is the big triangle. And so 48 plus 60 plus 20 would be 148.